Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a mid-month reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies we see for you starting now till the end of December. So let's quickly go ahead and begin and see what messages do the cards have for you. The first card that I see for you is Two of Wands, King of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles again. Now, Two of Wands is a card which shows two options, and with Wands, it is one of the fire signs. It talks more about passion, sex, physical attraction. So, in some cases, okay, and that's again not for everybody, but for some of you, you could be dealing with two people with whom you're physically attracted, and that's again, like I said, just for few of you. The second card I see for you is King of Pentacles, which shows that you're doing really good with your finances. If that's not the case, then in future, in the next few days, maybe there will be something that is going to help you out with your finances, because this is the money card. This shows that you're going to go ahead and enjoy the luxuries of life, and you'll enjoy having a good financial stability. The third card here is Two of Pentacles. Now, Two of Pentacles though talks about stability, but with two, there's always that dicing that is happening, right? Which means that you are trying to balance two situations. It could be job related or your business related, but it could also in certain cases be two people with whom you are trying to balance out things, and there could be money involved because this is Pentacles, right? So this again talks about money. So you're trying to juggle and manage two situations where money is involved. Now let's quickly see why we have these cards. So the clarifying card for Two of Wands is Four of Cups and Queen of Swords. Now, Four of Cups is the energy where you feel bored, you are not interested in anything, and at that point in time, if somebody is willing to offer you a cup of love, you will not go ahead and take that. The second card for you is Queen of Swords, which means that you are in a very strong energy where you don't want to go ahead and do anything. In this energy, you want to go ahead and have a very honest conversation with this person, and you'll also be very direct. And if you find out that that the other person is not telling you the facts, you will just rip them off. That's the energy of the Queen of Swords. Now let's see why we have King of Pentacles. So the first card is again the King of Pentacles and the Judgment card. Now this just says that there's something involved with money that is going to happen very soon, because the King of Pentacles is clarified again by the King of Pentacles, which talks about money. Now the third card here is the Judgment card, which means that you will take a judgment call on something, and once you take the judgment call, you will go ahead and proclaim that to everybody else also. Now with this, let's also see why we have Two of Pentacles. So the clarifying card here is the Justice card and the Nine of Pentacles. Now the Justice card means that for some of you, if you're currently involved in a legal case, then you will get victory in that situation, okay? And for the others, if there's some kind of injustice that has happened, you will get justice in that situation. Now the second card I see for you is Nine of Pentacles, which means that you are in a very single independent energy. There is another scenario that could be happening is, for some of you, you may be going through a divorce case, and once that is done, you will go ahead and be independent and single, and you will go ahead and shine. And that's what I see for, again, a very small section of people. Let's take a message from the Monology Oracle cards for all of you. So the message that I see here is balance spirituality with practicality. So you need to balance out spirituality with practicality. Please ensure that you maintain a healthy balance, and that's when things will work out for all of you. Now that's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.